let's talk about the U.S. defense industry and the role of manufacturing within it. So the future of the manufacturing in the U.S. defense industry is being shaped really by 5 big trends right now. And that includes advanced technologies, so things like additive manufacturing, like 3D printing, AI, robotics, are transforming how our weapon systems and parts are being designed, they're prototyped and produced, making the processes faster and more cost-effective. The other thing is the reshoring and supply chain security. So due to geopolitical tensions, lessons from COVID-19 pandemic, there's been a very strong push to bring critical manufacturing back to the US and reduce the dependency that we have on foreign suppliers. This is really important when it comes to semiconductors, rare earth elements, and microelectronics. Another item is workforce modernization. As legacy workers are getting older and begin to retire, there is definitely a need for skilled labor in high-tech manufacturing. And then you have sustainability and energy efficiency. So defense manufacturers are adapting to greener practices, including more energy efficient facilities and materials to align with the broader Department of Defense sustainability goals. And last but not least, agile and modular production. So in order to respond very quickly to threats, to the defense sector is shifting toward a more modular and adaptable manufacturing systems that are allowing for faster iteration and deployment of new technologies. So machine tools play a very critical role when it comes to the US defense industry. They are involved in precision manufacturing of defense components. So items like lathes, mills, grinders, they're the ones that enable the production of very complex, high tolerance parts used in weapon systems, aircraft, submarines, armored vehicles. These components must meet usually very exact military specifications, and really failure is just not an option. And so they have to be very precise equipment in order to, a lot of the materials that are being used are very expensive materials. So we really want to make sure that the production of these items are coming out to perfection. There's also the need for support for rapid prototyping and research and development. So we rely on machine tools in order to repair and extend the life of these multi-million-dollar systems that are already put into place. And last but not least, it enables advanced materials in manufacturing. So modern machine tools are required to work with exotic materials, as I had mentioned, exotic alloys, composites, ceramics that are all used in different defense applications. And so without this advanced tooling, these materials can't be effectively shaped or used. Machine tools really play the backbone of the defense manufacturing industry. They directly support national security by enabling the design, production, and maintenance of systems that help protect the US and its allies. Next, let's take a quick look at the forecasted need for machine tools within the US defense industry. The market forecast for machine tools overall is showing extreme growth for vital industries such as like aerospace and defense hardware, which is all projected to grow extremely quickly between now and 2030. The budget is increasing. There's just a need to be able to invest in our infrastructure, as I had mentioned, ever since COVID and other things that have kind of been happening throughout the world. There is a really big need to really concentrate on spending more on our infrastructure when it comes to the military, and that requires new machine tools. The need to be machining high precision, very exotic materials that the defense relies on for precision aerospace grade components such as jets, missiles, drones. They all need the capability mostly of CNC, multi-axis grinding, maybe hybrid machines that help shape these materials such as titanium or Inconel. The forecasted market in defense is high-tech, high-volume need. It's very clear that the defense segment will command significant share and a priority machine tool producers as they start scaling up capacity. Lagun Engineering represents several different sub-brands. So Republic Lagun Machine Tool, Republic Lagun CNC, Giuseppe Gianna, Lathes, Lagun Mar Holding, Mills. Our Republic Lagun CNC division actually is a manufacturing plant that we have here in California, where we focus a lot on government contracts and being able to produce and change machines and modify them to meet the very specific needs that the government has. Lagun Engineering has been very well established in the US. We're very well known. We've been around for over 50 years, and we've been producing manual machines as well as CNC machines like lathes, milling machines, machining centers, and other specialized equipment such as explosion-proof machines that are used in all sorts of sectors. We're a small business, woman-owned, so we're very proud of the fact that we have been around for so long and we have built such a strong legacy with our defense contractors. For more information, come check us out at www.lagun.com.